strong yet flexible aluminum mount recommended for service vehicles and trucks. 22-inch gooseneck and swivel ball provide ideal positioning of device. Compatible with GPS, cameras, and other devices having a 4-hole AMPS pattern. This package is not a complete mount solution and includes only the aluminum seat rail or floor mounting pedestal featuring a 4-hole AMPS head and 22-inch flexible gooseneck. Holders sold separately. Arkon's GN088 S/B/H AMPS L22 car or truck seat rail or floor mounting pedestal can be used as a replacement, upgrade, or as an addition to an existing pedestal. It is compatible with devices having a 4-hole AMPS pattern, including vehicle-specific mounts, VSMs, cameras, GPS devices, audio, video receivers, or satellite radios including Sirius S50, Sirius XM Onyx Plus, XM Onyx EZ, Sirius XM Lynx, Stratus 7, Dock Play, and Sirius Dock Play, sold separately. This mounting pedestal is also ideal for mobile radio holders, housings, and other devices used by public safety, construction, and utility applications. Formerly an industry standard, the 4-hole AMPS pattern consists of 4 holes located in a rectangular pattern spaced at 30.17 mm by 38.05 mm, measured as the center-to-center distance between holes. The car seat rail or floor mount is made of strong yet flexible aluminum, and is ideal for service vehicles, trucks, or those who need easy access to their devices but prefer mounting them somewhere other than the windshield or dashboard. Use a socket wrench to install the mount to the car's seat rail. Loosen the passenger seat track bolt, insert the included seat track bolt bracket, and then retighten the bolt. Bend the 22 inches gooseneck and rotate the swivel ball adapter head for 360-degree rotation for exact positioning of the device. Optional floor brackets are included for screwing the mount directly into the floor of the vehicle. Top reviews from the United States. Seat rail pedestal. This product is very easy to install and use. It allows me to see and operate my radio in a safe manner. Looks very professional. Glad I got it. Here's the kicker. Even my wife likes it. Definitely recommend this product.